No sleep. No sleeping for long periods of time reduces healthy brain cells. Sleep repairs the whole body from the stress and regenerates every cell. Too much sugar. Sadly, there is sugar in everything we eat or drink. You will benefit a lot if you reduce it. For starters, you can absorb more nutrients in the absence of sugar and prevent brain issues. Overeating. This makes you gain weight, be obese, damages the stems in the brain, and reduces the mental focus. Overeating. Smoking. The worst of all habits here. It has many side effects, but for the brain, it causes shrinkage and dementia-related issues like Alzheimer's. Smoking. Covered head during sleep. It sounds weird, but we need as much oxygen as we can get during the night. This limits you to breathe in the whole oxygen. Also, you get more carbon dioxide this way. Polluted air. You can't wear a mask all the time, of course, and there is not much you can do with this. The brain needs a lot of oxygen, and this polluted air deprives us of it. Polluted air. Working when ill. We all are rushed, speeding, having too much things to do. We all work when we are sick, one thing or another. But this means the body is begging for rest. Give the body some rest. Rarely talking. Talking makes the brain work and activates it. Engage in intellectual talks as much as you can and boost the health of the brain. Lack of good thoughts and simulations. To think also engage the brain in healthy work. It opens up new pathways and activates every segment of the brain. You have to work the brain all the time, otherwise it shrinks up or gets damaged due to inactivity. Why not working the cells you might be great at or learn, talk, and think?
A few moments later.
Many of us put off sleep, but deprivation can cause more issues like weight gain, weakened immune system, hypertension, high blood pressure, loss of memory, stroke or cerebrovascular accident, heart diseases, and many other serious problems, not only on the brain, on the heart, and on our muscles, and on circular or circulatory system. Getting enough sleep every night is one of the most important aspects for human health, yet about 40% of adults suffer from insomnia. The following are the age and bracket of the people who want to sleep exactly. The Center of Disease Control has called our lack of sleep a public health epidemic. It's important we make sleep a priority in our life again. Here's how much sleep you need according to your age by National Sleep Foundation. Newborns between 0 to 3 months needs 14 to 17 hours of sleep. An infant between 4 to 11 months needs 12 to 15 hours of sleep. A toddler between 1 to 2 years old needs 11 to 14 hours of sleep. A preschool between 3 to 5 years old needs at least 10 to 13 hours of sleep. At school age, between 6 to 13 years old, needs 10 to 13 hours of sleep. For the teenagers, between 14 to 17 years of age, at least 8 to 10 hours of sleep needed. And for the young adults, between 18 to 25 years old, at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep needed. And for adults people between 26 to 64 years old, at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep is needed. And for older adults between 65 years old and above, at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep is needed.
Oh yeah!
Did you know that a good laugh and a long sleep are two best cures for anything? Did you know that if a part of your body falls asleep, you can almost always wake it up by shaking your head? Did you know that sleeping without a pillow reduces back pain and keeps your spine stronger? Did you know that eating chocolate while studying helps the brain retain new information easily? Did you know that putting dry tea bags in a pair of smelly shoes can help absorb the unpleasant smell? Did you know, guys, that your shoes are the first thing people subconsciously notice about you? So guys, wear a nice shoes every day. Did you know, guys, that according to Albert Einstein, if honeybees were to disappear from Earth, humans would be dead within 4 years. Oh, nice to know. Did you know, guys, that right-handed people tend to chew a food on the right side? Did you know also, guys, that a person's height is determined by their father and their weight is determined by their mother? Did you know, guys, that music is one of the few activities in life that involves using the whole brain? That's why music is life. Did you know also, guys, that laughter destroys tumor cells and reduces the risk of cancer by 25%? So laughter is the best method. Ang mga sumusunod ay ang mga prutas at gulay para sa diabetic. Mainam na ito'y panoorin mo hanggang huli para mabigyan ka ng impormasyon sa pagpapababa ng sugar sa inyong katawan. Una, ang avocado. Mababa sa carbohydrates at mataas sa fiber ang avocado. Hindi rin nito madaling napatataas ang ating blood sugar level. Pangalawa ay ang mansanas. Mataas sa fiber at mababa sa calories ang mansanas. Mainam din na kainin pati ang balat nito dahil puno ng antioxidants ang apple skin. Ang mansanas. Pangatlo ay ang mga prutas na mayaman sa vitamin C. Ang citrus fruits ay hindi lang mayaman sa vitamin C. May folate at potassium din ang mga ito na nakatutulong sa pag-normalize ng ating blood pressure. Pang-apat ay ang lettuce. Ang lettuce ay magandang source ng alpha-lipoic acid, isang micronutrient na nagpapalakas ng katawan laban sa stress. Ito ay ang lettuce. Pang-lima ay ang broccoli at cauliflower. Mababa lang ang glycemic index ng mga gulay na ito. Ibig sabihin, hindi nito masyadong napapataas ang blood sugar level ng ating katawan. Ang pang-anim ay ang pipino. Zero ang calories at glycemic index ng pipino. Mayroon ding itong hormones na kailangan ng cells sa katawan para makapag-produce ng insulin na nakapagpapababa ng glucose level. Pang-pito ay ang talong. Napipigilan ng talong ang pagkawala ng glucose-releasing enzyme by 60%, kaya hindi nakapagpapataas ng sugar level ang talong. Ang pangwalo ay ang isda. Mayaman ito sa protina at omega-3 fatty acids na pumipigil sa inflammation sa katawan na maaaring magpalala ng diabetes. Ito ay ang mga isda.